Welcome to the world of Kali NetHunter. Kali NetHunter is a powerful tool for ethical hacking. It's a mobile penetration testing platform for Android devices. Think of it as a portable hacking lab in your pocket. You can use it to find security vulnerabilities in your own networks and devices. It's important to use this knowledge responsibly and ethically. We'll explore the basics of Kali NetHunter and how to use it safely and ethically. Kali NetHunter can be used for real-world scenarios like testing the security of Wi-Fi networks. It can also simulate phishing attacks to help you understand and defend against them. Conduct vulnerability assessments to identify and fix security flaws in your systems. In corporate environments, Kali NetHunter aids in strengthening overall cybersecurity strategies. Preparing your device system requirements for root installation to fully utilize Kali NetHunter. You can even install Kali NetHunter without root access. Let me know in comment if you'd like a separate video on installing Kali NetHunter without rooting your device. Before you begin, make sure your Android device meets the requirements. You will need a compatible device with enough storage space for the operating system. Typically, at least 8 GB of free space is recommended. A fast internet connection is also recommended. This ensures smooth downloading and installation of the necessary files. Installing Kali NetHunter is a multi-step process. First, you need to unlock the bootloader of your device. You'll need to download the correct image for your device. This image contains the Kali NetHunter operating system. Then you'll flash it onto your device using a tool like TWRP or Fastboot. This step is crucial for the installation. This process varies depending on your device model. For instance, Samsung devices may require different steps compared to Google Pixel devices. Detailed instructions are available online on Kali Linux website. To reach directly on NetHunter installation guide, please check the link in description. These guides often include real-world use cases, such as setting up a penetration testing environment or conducting network security assessments. Launching into action. Running Kali NetHunter. Once installed, you can boot into Kali NetHunter. This powerful tool allows you to perform a variety of penetration testing tasks directly from your Android device. The system offers two modes: normal Android and Kali Linux. This flexibility lets you switch between everyday use and hacking tasks seamlessly. For a full desktop experience, connect an external monitor and keyboard. This setup is ideal for more intensive tasks like network analysis and vulnerability scanning. This setup transforms your Android device into a complete hacking station. Real-world use cases include testing Wi-Fi security, performing man-in-the-middle attacks, and even conducting social engineering tests. Unveiling the network scanning with Nmap and Wifite. Kali NetHunter comes equipped with powerful tools like Nmap. Nmap allows you to scan networks and identify connected devices. You can see their IP addresses and open ports. This information helps you understand the network structure and potential vulnerabilities. To start a basic scan with Nmap, use the command nmap. For a more detailed scan, use nmap-a. Another valuable tool is Wifite. This tool specializes in scanning and analyzing Wi-Fi networks. It helps you discover nearby networks and identify their security protocols. To start scanning with Wifite, simply type Wifite. Wifite will automatically detect and list available Wi-Fi networks. Wifite is particularly useful for assessing the security of wireless networks. In real-world scenarios, Nmap is used by network administrators to map out their network and identify unauthorized devices. Ethical hackers use Wifite to test the security of Wi-Fi networks, ensuring they are protected against potential attacks. Breaching the walls. Exploiting Android devices with Metasploit. Metasploit is a powerful framework for penetration testing, widely used by ethical hackers. Kali NetHunter includes a mobile-friendly version of Metasploit, making it accessible on the go. You can use it to create backdoor APK files which are disguised as legitimate apps. These files can be used to gain unauthorized access to target Android devices, often without the user's knowledge. To exploit a device, you need to set up a Metasploit listener, which acts as a receiver for incoming connections. This program waits for a connection from the backdoor APK, allowing the hacker to establish a session. Once connected, you gain control of the device, enabling actions like data extraction, remote surveillance, and more. In real-world scenarios, this method is used to test the security of Android devices, ensuring vulnerabilities are identified and patched. Let's break down the steps to exploit an Android device using Metasploit. Step 1. Open Metasploit by typing MSF console in your terminal. Step 2. Use the multi-handler exploit by entering use exploit/multi/handler. Step 3. Set the payload to set payload android /meterpreter/reverse_TCP. Step 4. Configure the local host by typing set lhost. Step 5. Set the local port with set lport. Step 6. Finally type exploit to start the listener and wait for the connection. By following these steps you can effectively use Metasploit to test the security of Android devices. Beyond the breach, navigating with Meterpreter. After exploiting a device you can use Meterpreter to maintain control. This tool provides a command line interface to interact with the target, allowing for seamless navigation. For instance, commands like sysinfo can gather detailed system information, crucial for understanding the target's environment. Screenshot captures the device's screen, while record_mic activates the microphone, useful for real-time monitoring. You can even access and download files, enabling you to retrieve sensitive data. In real-world scenarios, Meterpreter is invaluable for gathering intelligence and maintaining a foothold in compromised systems. Step 1. Type sysinfo to gather system information. Step 2. Use screenshot to capture the device's screen. Step 3. Execute record_mic to activate the microphone. Step 4. Access and download files using appropriate commands. These steps ensure you can effectively navigate and control the compromised device using Meterpreter. The Ethical Hackers Toolkit: Essential Tools for Responsible Hacking. Kali NetHunter provides a wide range of ethical hacking tools, from network analysis to vulnerability scanning. Burp Suite helps you analyze web applications for vulnerabilities such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting. To use Burp Suite, start by configuring your browser to work with Burp. Then use the Proxy tab to intercept requests, and the Scanner to identify vulnerabilities. John the Ripper cracks passwords, making it essential for testing the strength of your password policies. For John the Ripper, start by selecting the password file you want to crack. Then, use the command john $$ to begin the cracking process. These tools, combined with your knowledge, help you identify and address security flaws, ensuring robust security measures in real-world scenarios. The importance of ethics hacking for good. Ethical hacking is about responsible disclosure and making the digital world safer. When you discover a vulnerability, report it to the vendor or developer immediately. Collaborate with them to fix the issue and protect users from potential threats. Ethical hackers have helped prevent major data breaches and cyber attacks. Real-world use cases include stopping ransomware attacks and securing financial systems. Always use your skills for good and never engage in illegal activities. Start your journey into ethical hacking. Kali NetHunter is a powerful tool for learning ethical hacking. It provides a portable platform for practicing your skills. Remember to use your knowledge responsibly and ethically. Always seek permission before testing on networks or devices you don't own. Real-world use cases include penetration testing for companies to identify vulnerabilities. Ethical hackers help secure networks by reporting their findings and suggesting improvements. Participating in bug bounty programs is another way to apply your skills and earn rewards. Happy hacking!